Okay, hello and welcome to Cliveden House. I'm about an hour outside London in England. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my room, one of the 47 rooms and suites in the hotel. It's the George Bernard Shaw room because, like every other room in the property, it has been named after a notable guest, George Bernard Shaw being a famous Nobel Prize winning Irish playwright. So there's the big bed. Here is my writing desk. You've got your little tablet there with your room directory and so on. I'm going to show you a very, very nice view in a minute. The hotel is part of the National Trust, which is a British organization that protects historic buildings across the country. The grounds are very, very beautiful. The River Thames runs beside it. You can get river boats that take in the view from the water, which is very, very special and tranquil. The property is also part of iconic luxury hotels, a British hotel group that also includes the Lichen Arms in the Cotswolds, 11 Cadogan Gardens in Chelsea and London. Here is little wardrobe space, the iron and ironing board I had to request especially because with this being a protected historic building, they're not really meant to have them unless people ask for them as a fire risk. Here is the bathroom. There I am. The toiletries are by the British brand Noble Isle. I'm going to take you out to see the view now. I'll also mention as well that I book hotel rooms around the world. My company Loot does, with benefits and perks and upgrades, such as upgrades or complimentary credits for F&B and so on that you won't find online. And I can also do that for this property, so feel free to get in touch if that's of interest. And here is the view of the heated outdoor pool on a spectacular sunny day in June. I've just shown you the room, but Google the property itself because it is such a spectacular building. Notable locally as well as the place that Meghan, of Meghan and Harry fame, spent the night before her wedding. There you go. That's Cliveden House, about an hour outside of London in England.